G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I'm KC and today we're at Targa Stage 17, Castra. So this is their setting up here this morning there, 7:30 in the morning, setting up ready to get organised. As you can see, there's no competitors or cars here at the moment. The Targa Tasmania has been downgraded to a tour only. Unfortunately, we had a driver lost their life at Mount Roland Stage, and very sad days, so my condolences to those families. And let's just hope that's all good today. Everyone has to abide by the speed limits today and just do the right thing by it. Righto folks, I'm at the starting grid here and they're all organised, getting everything all set up. Won't be long and this will be chock-a-block full of cars very shortly. So I'm assuming the start line's up here with these guys. They're getting all of the timers set up, which is pretty cool. Alright, we're about to get organised and get some fun happening, eh? Foggy day this morning. We've only just been able to see around. Alrighty, cars will be coming up very shortly. Grab yourselves a drink, something to eat. This will be in 2 parts for sure. Our beautiful Tasmanian police. The most coolest police in the whole of Australia, trust me. Okay, police are off on their way to check the course, make sure it's clear, and then also the course attendant and supervisor is following. Righto, we're going to get some cars coming very shortly. Take care, guys.
It changed all of a sudden. I was putting the fog light on as yeah, something changed. That's strange.
How beautiful that is. That white one there, that GT2 RS, at 900 horsepower. I'm just talking to the guy. And the black one just here, that you see just over here, this one here, 500 horsepower. Have a look at these machines, aren't they absolutely wicked? Up at the grid there, getting ready to shoot off they are. Busy day today. How's this for a location? Location every time, eh guys? Sitting here looking at these beautiful, gorgeous Porsches and talking to them other chaps before. Absolutely awesome. Have a look at these machines, guys. Wow. Have a look at the decal on that bonnet. Just down the end there, they're just sorting themselves out. Peace. Have a great day. Welcome to Tasmania.
Thanks, darling. We're having a beautiful time.
It's a beautiful place, best spot in the world.
We'll be back.
Now that black car here that you can see just there, that is electric, full on electric. Crazy, isn't it? Let's just go and check it out while they just stop for a bit. This is actually electric, full on electric. Something you don't see in Targa at all, ever. Wow, what a day. I'm having a Porsche experience myself without paying for it. Beautiful Lotus, look at that. Oh, Mustang. Sweet stuff. Which one is that, Shane Jacobs? No, D Spencer, M Spencer, no. Trying to find a few different people I am, a couple of celebrities. Wow, that's a convertible. Wow, that's crazy. Good luck, guys. Enjoy. Listen to that Lotus just ticking away there. Another one. That Mercedes-Benz there, just behind the silver BMW. Have a look at that AMG Mercedes. Sweet. Here comes this AMG, have a look at this. Beautiful. Look what we got coming up here. Looks like an Aston Martin. Let's see if I was right. Yeah, absolutely. Another Corvette. Oh. Mercedes. Beautiful. Another Tesla electric car. Ooh, nice Audi R8. Some of the most amazing cars driving right past me. So close I can reach out and touch them. Beautiful Falcon Ute. Ford performance vehicle. Nice Beamer. Look at that. Crack field here today, guys. It's one of the biggest entries into Targa. 500 entries this year. Have a look at that. That's a little Ford car, Kia, or Kia, hey, however you say it, KA. I've never seen one of those for donkey's ages behind this BMW. Have a look at it. It probably actually goes pretty well, believe it or not. I've got one of the most favourite cars sitting in front of me is a BMW, same as what I drive. Not the same model, of course. I wish I had that model. Mine's a bit older. Ooh, another AMG Mercedes, look at that, beautiful.
Good footage, eh?
Absolutely. And a Toyota Yaris, they fly those things, absolutely fly. Oh, nice. 350, 370, beautiful. A beautiful Mercedes. Have a look at this. That's that Peterborough Commodore you can hear revving up there. Beautiful Aston Martin in front of us. The Lancer Evo, yeah, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Another little Toyota Yaris. They have absolute mad horsepower. Oh, it's the same model as my BMW, that blue one there, number 267, except for mine's white. How cool. Awesome to see.